Hello again. Warmer than yesterday, but windier. What a shame. Now, if you remember me saying yesterday that I was a bit on the chilly side, I was. I got a bit of a sniffly snuffles when I got home. And although I'm not too bad today, I did spend the night doing that thing where I can't breathe through my nose and I sort of wake myself up. So I didn't get a particularly good night's sleep. Now it's later than normal today. Mum's up at the hairdresser's anyway. So I'm just going to shoot out down to Spray Point, give Rufus some food, and then probably show you some backup content. We decide that later. But I'm not going to have a long one today. I'm going to have a day of rest, really. Make sure I'm good for tomorrow. Just checking off the observation deck before I set out, of course. Why not? Certainly got the warmth today though, thank goodness, even if you haven't got the wind. There we go, Seawall at Rufus T. Robbins' house. Smashing, let's crack on. That's the poppy train. Lovely. Haven't seen that one for a while. Nice little spot. Lovely. What a long one! Lovely! Right, let's go and see if we can see Rufus T. Robin. Who's waiting for me? Hello, mate. How you doing, Rufy? Sorted. Let's fill up your feeder, shall we? Oh, yes. There's his breakfast. And there he is down there, waiting for me to move off, so he can come and partake. I'll move away and let you have some, mate. Enjoy. He's doing his thing where he grabs a bit, knocks something on the floor, goes down and gets it, flies back up, knocks something else off. There he is. Right, we'll leave Rufus to it now. Yes, nice to be out back out in the sunshine. That was a funny night last night, to be fair. Was a funny night. Literally waking up every sort of 5-10 minutes or so because you can't sort of breathe through your nose. It's just annoying, really. Totally sort of unproper sleep. So I'm not going to go out again this afternoon, I don't think. Just play it by ear. Black-backed gull down there. Almost twice the size of the others. Another couple of subscribers from Surrey this time. Lovely, there they go. And be like them, be sure to subscribe for more happy trains as a crossover. There we are, you see. Now if they hadn't subscribed, I wouldn't have had that crossover to show you. So the more of you that hit that subscribe button, the more crossovers we get. Honest. Bye bye crossover train. Here we go. With a couple of subscribers at the moment. This is grandson. Lovely. Will he be a happy train at Spray Point? Place your bets. Listening carefully. Yes, I think I heard that. Happy train. That ticks a happy train box. Oh yes. There we go. Another subscriber and his grandson. Possibly the grandson not a subscriber, but that's understandable, but lovely to meet him. Had a nice chat. Asked after mum. Lovely jubbly. That's what we like to see. Another subscribers. We need more. Smashing. Thanks, mate. Right, well, I've got to go home and get mum now. Or go at the hairdresser to get her anyway. So a little bit of backup content. This is from the 13th of December last year. The same day that I went all the way over to collect my new teeth. And they weren't there because they forgot to send them off. So that's what was going on this day. Here we go. Hope you enjoy it. It's only 4 minutes long. Well, good afternoon. Welcome to another little bit of backup content that may or may not get used at some point. I always like to tell you the date and something that's going on at the time I shot it. Well, the date's the 13th of December, and it's when I went over to Newton Abbot in the morning to get my teeth, and they weren't ready. So I was a bit disappointed, came up home, and felt a bit sorry for myself, then decided to, no, I'm going to go out, go for a walk along the Seawall, film some trains if I see them, cheer myself up, and make do with the fact that I might have teeth for the rest of 2023. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. A lot of sand on the wall today, more than normal. Well, that was a toot. Wind blocker or no wind blocker, you heard that one. I think Dawlish heard that one. Lovely. They're still doing the wall at the moment, but by the time you see this backup content, I'm sure it'll all be finished. They're nearly at the end of it. Some flowers there in memoriam for the lady that got washed away. They pop up every year, we see them. Half of the bench is still here at this point in time, although that'll be gone soon, I'm sure. But on the 13th of December in the afternoon, it was still here. Oh, well, there we go. Heading back now. Hopefully we'll see another train. Yay! No toot, not a happy train. Never mind. Well, there we go. That's the end of the old backup content now, I think, for the day. I can do one final thing just for fun for me, because when you do eventually see this, I will have teeth. So it's kind of like a voice test. I just want to say and see if my voice has changed. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The Leith police dismisseth us. Bye. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, and the Leith police dismisseth us. Well, it's a bit of an improvement, isn't it? Haha. Anyway, love you, leave you. See you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll feel a bit better. Bit of a more normal, longer walk, distance than an hour, etc. Take care. Bye.